Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Today I'm stopping by to share my latest passion, we'll cry it, maybe obsession, loaded envelopes. You may have remembered, I think I recently posted this one that I made for a swap. This was my first loaded envelope, and in my group we had decided we were only doing A2 size, so I made my own envelope and I stuffed it full of all the goodies. I'll link it below. So that was my first one. Then I got to looking around and I discovered there's another way to make them. They're kind of like these pouch looking envelopes. And so I decided this is going to be what I give away as prizes on my group. There's a stamp for that. So I went crazy and I have been having the best time. Before I show you what is in each of these, I'm going to stop the camera now and show you a quick tutorial on how easy it is to make this pouch. And then I'll come back and I'll go through what I put in all of these. So I'll be right back after I show you a few things. Your first step is going to score your 12 by 12 piece of paper at 3 1/4 inches. So 3 1/4 inches. And then you're going to flip it over and you're going to score at 3 1/4 inches. And then you're just going to turn the paper and you're going to score at 3 3/4 inches. Again, 3 3/4 inches. And I will link below to the tutorial that I found how to do this. So easy. Then you're just going to burnish those score lines. Then you can fold down the corners if you want. You could leave it up if you wanted to as well. I kind of like the look of it being folded down. Just fold those down. Fold it up, and then your next step would be to just add adhesive. And then it gives you the two little pouches there. So you'll add adhesive either on that strip or on that strip, whatever your preference, or both. And then once along the bottom. And then you can decorate as needed. All right, so now you saw how easy it is to make the little pouch. For this one, like I said, this is going to be a prize for my challenge group. And there you can see the insides, just super easy with one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. And so since this is a prize, I do have a little stamp and die set, so that's going in there. I got some ribbon that's the same color. I think I'll put that down here. And then I've made friends with my envelope punch board. I've been making all the envelopes. And so I put some die cut shapes in there. There's some circles, some rectangles, some squares, just so it's a little fun. So kind of like a little card kit, I think you would call it. And then some sequins and some dewdrops, just some fun stuff. I tried to get, well, the sequins I tried to match, the dewdrops I just grabbed some handfuls. And I decorated the little package, just some little flags there and some washi tape. And then this was the card that I made to go with it. I told the universe to send some awesome your way, and there's the inside. I mean, I think I would be over the moon to receive this as a prize, and I hope that whoever does get it really enjoys it. Super, super fun and easy. So that was one that I made. The next one was this one. And this one, again, I have a stamp and die that I'm giving as a prize. Some ribbon that I have like in silvers and like a white. And I did an envelope again of the different shapes there. There was an oval trying to escape. Just kind of like, I think I'm going to kind of think of that kind of like a card kit. I'll put that there. Another sequins and dewdrops. And then the card was just for you. And there's the inside. Again, I think they are turning out so neat. I would love to get that as a prize. Hopefully everyone else will too. And then the last one that I've made for now is this one, and I did add some pearls on there. And this one I kind of went with a theme. I'm giving away these 2 butterfly stamps. And so I was like, well, let's just do some butterfly themes. So this has the shapes again. And then I made a small envelope and I included a whole bunch of butterfly die cuts in there. I thought that would be fun. And there's the card that I made. It says hello. Again with that butterfly theme. And then some ribbon. And again, you can see in there. So those are what I have been obsessed with making lately. I want to make, all the loaded envelopes. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below and I'll do my best to answer anything. Again, the pouch itself is so easy to create, and you can look forward to seeing more of these in the future because, like I said, this is going to be my prizes from now on. At my group, there's a stamp for that. And I'm just having so much fun with them. And I think it would be so fun to do for Christmas or winter. You could put like a hot cocoa packet in there. Valentine's Day, you could, how fun would it be to do like a theme with hearts? You could do some heart die cuts. I mean, really, you could do everything, anything you want with them. So fun, so versatile. I'm addicted. I hope you enjoyed seeing them as much as I enjoyed making them, and you will be seeing more in the future. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have a fabulous day.